So, what do you do when no one watches your content? Right now, I'm in the midst of this 90-day challenge, this video content series where we're in the 80s now, and let's face it, I have no audience, right? And my whole viewpoint on it is when the student is ready, the teacher shall arrive, and vice versa. When the teacher is ready, the students shall arrive. So my whole goal is to shed this persona through this video series, get to know myself a little bit more so that I can communicate, more authentically through my content. So like a bunch of this series, has like its challenges, and I've noticed that when you have no audience, you're faced to look at yourself and see like who you really are and why isn't your voice being heard. And I really think that is because, this persona, this act that I tend to display, and I need to shed it. And with each video, I am removing the layers, and I have no outcome. I'm totally free from the outcome. This is very therapeutic for me. And, this is where I get to talk and, share my true insights and perspectives on like personal development and entrepreneurship. Like my whole business is coaching entrepreneurs into living a more fit and healthier lifestyle, more balanced lifestyle. And, being the coach and the athlete, I can see how tough it is, balancing your business, your home life, and, trying to live a more healthier and balanced life is not easy, and by me taking this action and showing you, what the workouts are, what I tend to do on my free time and stuff like that, I am removing that layer, and trying to communicate, more authentically. So I want to do less trying and more doing, just get it done. And at the end of the day, that's all that I can do. You are in control of your own thoughts, your words, and your actions, right? And my whole goal is to align my thoughts, my words, and actions and display them through this, through my content. And, the more repetitions I get, the better the outcome. And that's pretty much all I can control and all I, putting all my efforts into. So enough of me rambling. You know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, if you want to add to this discussion, as always, I'm all ears. You can hit me up in all the different social media channels, all right? Peace.